Welcome, comrades, to East Java.
Go, brother. Where is the crane?
Hello guys, new day, new adventure. Today we will go to Volcano. Before we need to eat, and we choose routes. Bismarck, amazing view. We have breakfast near bus.
Let's recording.
That's right.
Thank you. I ordered a dragon smoothie bowl and a cappuccino in a boot. The smoothie bowl is so powerful and packed with fresh dragon fruit, topped with granola and other goods. Super refreshing. It took us 8 hours to get from the hotel to the ferry.
8 hours later.
I will travel to East Java by ferry. This will be the first time I use ferry.
Nasi. Fresh.
Finally, I arrived. I just arrived to East Java by ferry and I checked Kapangan Indahan Hotel. The place look like amazing. I will show you my room number. Let's go. This is my room number. I prefer a king size bed, but I got twin beds. It's not a problem because I have only one night, and I have a small bed. I have water, some stuff for coffee or tea. Unfortunately, I can't swim, but I have a pool. Let's go to pool. I will show you. Small pool for children. Not interesting for me, but I will show you. If you have children, it's a good place to swim. Big pool with amazing view. This hotel near the ferry. Totally amazing view. Let's go for food. This hotel has 2 restaurants, but I asked which difference between both, and they told me the same. I choose near ocean with beautiful view in air. Ordered quarter pizza. This pizza consists of 4 different pizzas. Welcome, comrades, to East Java. I go into my room number. I will have a fast nap because at this night I will go to Volcano. 1 hour AM and my new excursion started. We were all given face masks and hand lamps.
Okay, you go, brother. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See you on the top. I will stay in the car, okay? No way. Okay. It's about 300 kilograms.
Hello.
Hello.
Format.
Try. 1. Lift it up. Lift it up, brother. Lift it up. Oh. This is the nice one. This is heavy, right?
Yeah, heavy.
What do you think? It's 70 kilograms. It's heavy. Just like trust me, okay? No, it's okay. Put my hand in the water.
Okay.
Okay, good, right?
Yes.
Mr. Hassan. 30. 50 meters, 50 meters. Where is the crater? Guys, do you want to see the crater after this? But please, the rules, do not jump the crater. Okay? What time is it? I give you until 4:30. Sulfur take from the oil mining, but here we try to collect the smoke and become a liquid, and then liquid is quite hot. A lot of used thing by this one, like whitening of sugar as battery, a fertilizer, powder gun, firework. You can touch it, it's warm if you want to touch. It's warm. It's warm.